In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a moving or animated banner to Google Sites in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to create a dynamic and engaging interface for your website, or simply want to add a touch of flair, this guide will walk you through the easy steps. Let's dive in and get started. First, we're going to utilize Canva. Canva is a versatile platform that offers an array of free animated templates, which are perfect for our purpose since we'll be needing a GIF format. Head over to Canva's website and log in, or sign up if you haven't already. Once you're in, type GIF in the search bar. This will bring up a variety of animated designs to choose from. Pick one that suits your style and needs by selecting a free template from the results. After you've chosen your desired template, click on Customize this template. This feature allows you to make the banner your own. Here you have the opportunity to alter colors, fonts, and any other elements you wish to modify to better fit your website's aesthetic. Once you're happy with your edits, it's time to prepare your creation for Google Sites. Click on the Share button. This might seem a bit counterintuitive, but it's the gateway to downloading your completed banner. You'll want to select Download from the menu that appears. When the download options are displayed, choose MP4 video first. This might seem unnecessary since we're focusing on GIFs, but it's a useful step if you choose to use the animated banner elsewhere. Now, to get your banner into the GIF format required for Google Sites, select GIF from the download options. Click once more on Download. Your animated banner is now saved as a GIF on your device, ready to be uploaded to your site. Next, head over to your Google Sites page. Once there, go to the section of your site where you want the banner to appear, typically the header. Hover over the header and you'll see the option to click Image. Go ahead and click it. Now tap Upload to bring up your file picker. Find your recently downloaded GIF in your files and select it. The GIF will upload to your Google site, and voila, you have successfully added a moving or animated banner to your website. This simple addition can significantly enhance the visual appeal of your site, making it more engaging for visitors. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. If you did, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more straightforward tutorials like this one. See you in the next video.